Hi, this is Kuldeep Sethi, and today we have launched Kuldeep Sethi website with the program called 30 Day Ultimate Weight Loss Challenge. The program is all about weight loss, 30 days, 30 minutes, where you can do it at home, all body weight exercises. So you don't need any kind of equipment. So మీకు ఏం equipment అవసరం లేదు, and you have complete nutrition-based knowledge in it. We have given you sample diet plans. We have given you grocery list. We have given videos, workouts also, where you can just play the video and work out with it. So the motivation, and we have 3 different levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced to start with. And it's a fabulous program, and I would request you guys to take advantage of it. And the costing also, as an inaugural offer, we have kept it very, very low for now. So that's
association with Vijay Garu.
with Vijay, I've been training him for past 3 years, and as we started as a client and the relationship went out to, he became like a family and became a brother. So I've been training him for a long time, and for rowdy photo shoots and all this thing also we did before. So he wanted to be leaner at that time. Now in the future we are trying to bulk up a little more because he's doing a fighter's thing. So according to that I have to train him. So taking care of his injuries, taking care of his work schedule and every single thing, and that's how we are doing it.
How much cooperation from him?
How much cooperation from Vijay?
From Vijay.
Vijay is 100%. He's 100%. And sometimes, like, if he's traveling where I'm not able to travel with him and all these things, he does his workout. I just WhatsApp him what all has to be done. He's a fabulous guy. He's a very, very dedicated, very he knows what he wants. We decide something and he goes for it. So his aim is very perfect and all this thing. That's what I like about him. No airs, nothing, no nakaras, nothing. So just comes like a regular people. He comes, works out, sweats, gets killed, and then he goes. Fabulous person.
You said just you every day kills him and
Yeah, every day. So the workouts actually are going on very intense right now because probably I don't know when they're going to start the shoot, but I want to get him into a best shape possible right now because things are cooling down. Corona is vaccine and all these things. So probably they might start shooting and all these things. So I want him to be in the best shape possible. So that's why I'm trying to train him very, very hard for that so that he looks the best. I want his body to be the best in India. That's what
any shoulder problem.
Yes, he has a shoulder problem where. Sorry?
What happened?
He has more flexible shoulders, the rotator cuff shoulders, and I think a few years back, I don't know when, I never met him and all this thing, few years back he had those injuries and all these things. So rotator cuff, it has more hyperextension in his shoulder. So shoulder eppudu pop aitad. So you have to be careful the way he lifts heavy weight, the way he does his warm-up or any fight action scenes and all this thing, he has to be careful with it. So that's how we train him. So stabilize the muscle and then progress.
Other stars about other stars.
Other stars right now I'm training is Sandeep Kishan. Sandeep Kishan for A1. I have made his six pack and all these things. Just recently I posted on my Insta, and Rashi Khanna, she's also getting trained with me, and Karthikeyan also. And Karthikeyan also is in a fantastic shape right now. So as soon as he will reveal what he's doing it for, so I don't want to tell. So I think he will be the better person to reveal it.
How different is training heroine?
Every human being. So this human being, we have to train. Every body type is different. Let it be you, me, or anybody. Every body type is different. So we have to train accordingly, and they have to train according to their goals. So if their goals are something, want to look more toned and abs and all these things, so we take a specific goal, specific nutrition plan, and then we train. So women body is slightly different than men body because their hormonal changes and the body type is little different. So the approach is little more different in the nutrition as well as the workouts.
Our heroines do hard work or not?
Yes, they actually see nowadays. I feel most of the actors, they are the new generation of actors. They are putting in 100%. I have seen Rashi also. If she travels to Chennai morning 6 o'clock and she comes by evening 6 o'clock, and she 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock she lands into the gym. So that's a pretty hard work, and that's how they do it. So they put in their hard work. Everyone.
Any stardom or anything else?
With I have never gone through it because they respect me, and I don't know, probably I'm blessed to have been in this field and blessed to have the knowledge and blessed to have people around me who are there with me as a team and all these things. So that's going on. So I don't think so.
They know
They're actually nowadays people are very chill. I don't think so. It's not like before. Star. We are very chill actually. Young crowd and all these things, like let it be Ram Charan, Varun and all these things, they are pretty cool people, very cool people.
In couple of years, Vijay went to an stardom.
అది ఆయన గురించి అడగాల మీరు. ఐ కాంట్ టెల్ ఎనీథింగ్. మై జాబ్ ఇస్ టు ట్రైన్ హిమ్ ఫర్ హిస్ ఫిజికల్ ఎబిలిటీస్, దట్ ఐ డూ మై జాబ్ బెస్ట్. సో ఐ డోంట్ నో అబౌట్ దిస్ స్టార్డమ్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ హిమ్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ ఫర్ ఎనీబడి హూ ఇస్ మై క్లయింట్. ఐ వుడ్ like bless them, and I would with my wholeheartedly want them to progress. Obviously I want you also to progress. I want everyone to progress. I want everyone to be healthy. First most important thing is health.
Thank you.
Thank you Andy, thank you very much.
హలో అండి, నేను తరుణ్ భాస్కర్. జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్స్కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. హిట్ ద సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ నౌ.
Hi, this is Raj Tarun. Please subscribe to GS Entertainment.
Hi, this is Raghu Kunje. Please subscribe GS Entertainments.
హలో అండి, నా పేరు ప్రియా వెడ్లమణి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు జిఎస్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్.
Hi Andy, this is Rahul Vijay. Please do subscribe to GS Entertainments.